Hey everyone, so in this video I just wanted to go over how we can set up the local development for Open WebUI, and I'm going to use this website which is also there in description, so let's follow along. I am at the latest module. I think I got the latest one. I'll just pull it again. Okay, great. Now I want to go into Open WebUI and I would want to create an environment file. So it says here I can create a new environment file. It says that I can do cp rp.env. So that just creates a new environment file. I could have just done it manually as well. No problem with that. Let's keep it here as of now. And then it wants us to use npm install. So now this is interesting. Let me just see what my version is. Okay, so first check if we have nvm. We don't have it. So let's install it. I'm finding this from ChatGPT, and then I'll have to source it. Missed one step. Cool. We have it. There you go. Nice. Okay, and then we want to use 22. Nice. So node is 22. Great. All right. So I think we have to use package.json. So for any node project, package.json is the most important thing, and we have different scripts for it which it can follow. But the most important thing is that we have to install, so it installs all these things. So let's quickly do it. npm install. It gave me error. So I guess people do face that. So it asks to install using force. Okay, so we installed it, I think. Everything is good. We can check it by running npm run dev. Oh, it's ready now. So let's look at localhost 5173. While this is happening, let's also create the backend. So let's create a new terminal. Let's go into backend. So first of all, it expects us to use, sorry, Python 3 version 3.11. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so I can just do sudo apt install python 3.11. It could not install, so let me add this repository. Okay, sudo add update, add it. Great. Now I want to install again. 20 MB gone because I'm using 3.11. Okay, I don't know if it will show 3.12. Yeah, but if I do, it should show that. Great. So if I create a conda environment with 3.11, conda command not found. I don't want to use conda. I want to use venv. Okay, so now we do source dot venv bin activate. Okay, finally I have my virtual environment ready. And what's happening with the other one meanwhile? Yes. Okay, backend required. Great. So working on the backend right now. Good. Cool. So we got the virtual environment and we have activated it. And then we have to install dependency. Oh boy, this is going to take a big one. This is like 3000 packages here. Wish me good luck. So let's do pip install -r requirements.txt and -u. Make sure that I have the latest compatible versions of the libraries. This is going to take a long time. All right, coming back after my laptop crashed, let's restart everything. So this is the run dev running, and if I look at localhost 5173, so that's okay, that's good. So my front end is running. Let's run the back end. So to run the back end, I need to go to backend, and I'm in my Python environment. So I can run shdev.sh. Okay, let's look what's happening now. Oh, there you go. It's ready. All right, we got it. And we also have our model here. Now, this was an interesting scenario where what we saw was gptOSS failed to work. And the reason which I saw was basically I can't use gptOSS in my system. And the reason is that gptOSS requires more system memory than what was available. It needed 11 GB more, and I think I had only 3 GB remaining. And that's because I have an old laptop. I'm sorry about it. But anyways, so what I did is I went back to my Ollama and downloaded a mistral model, which is a much smaller model, and I ran those. And if you want to know how I did Ollama's local model setup, you can check out these videos. But Moving on, let's run this Mistral model in Ollama. And meanwhile, I also ran the backend code and npm run dev again. Awesome. Who are you? Great. So it's working. Now, so we have the development version ready and it's going good. So what can we do with this? So because it's a local development, it will be easier for me to make things. Now let's say I want to make some changes. For example, if I want to change this set as default to something else, so I can find for it. You can see, well, there's a lot of things here, but I think it will be in model selector because that's just below it, set as some default. This should trigger some things. Let's see what's happening. And oh, see, immediate change. Great. So what this does is allowing you to run local development. You can very fast make changes to whatever UI changes you want, and then later on you can run whatever build, or you want to create any Docker images based on what you have changed, you can. So that allows you to make things easier. There you go. That's basically it. And hopefully that helps anyone who's trying to run Open WebUI locally. Thank you so much.